Ashweta.
Hello, Shruti.
Before we get into what your venture is all about, I would like to begin this with a very fond memory that I have. Even before you started this, it was taking its baby steps, I must say, and we happened to have a conversation, and I just happened to mention at random about a story club, a children's story club, and a children's library from the cafe. And the way you lit up at the thought, that thing never goes away.
It was a great idea. Like I was on board with your idea,
Yeah.
and like if I have to vote, the idea was 10 out of 10. You can vote on this. Okay. So it was a great idea. So I was very much excited about the idea to give up people a comfortable place for reading. Even it's a cozy corner.
Yeah.
And like I still remember जब people were reading their newspaper and they saw कितने छोटे छोटे बच्चे they were reading the full book. Okay, and after that they were discussing. So like the next time when they visit our cafe for any drinks or anything, so वो अपने बच्चों को जब साथ लाते थे when they come with the family, so they were like कि वहाँ पर बुक कॉर्नर है, would like try.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
So मुझे लगता है we were building a community here.
Yes, yes.
So there was no thinking about कि like कि हम कैफ़े के साथ लाइब्रेरी क्यों नहीं क्लब कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज बुक्स क्रिएट अ वंडरफुल मेमोरीज.
Yeah.
एंड लाइक आई एम ऑलवेज फैसिनेटेड कि लोग कितने अच्छी रीडिंग से उसको डिस्कस करते हैं एंड पीपल वर सो मच डीप इनटू दैट थॉट और उसको कितना अच्छे से लोग प्रेजेंट करते हैं.
Yeah. And I also recall that around that time, there were hardly any libraries here where
Yes.
children could go and
Yes.
sit and read. And to have it out of a cafe,
Yes.
that was, I think I could call you a pioneer in that. Yes.
Its library was like, so it's a not a thing to even think about. The people even not thought about it.
Yeah.
बट लाइक लाइब्रेरीज भी नहीं थी उस समय. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 2019. और जो लाइब्रेरीज थी वो कॉलेजेस में या स्कूल्स में ही होती थी,
Yeah.
विच आर प्रोवाइडिंग द मटेरियल टू डू द रिसर्च. और लाइक फॉर किड्स हु आर बिलो लाइक फ्रॉम 6 to 12 एज ग्रुप दे विल हार्डली फाइंड एनी. तो पेरेंट्स की पॉकेट पे भी एक एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन ऐड करता है कि दे हैव टू बाय बुक्स. लाइक इफ अ किड इज एक बच्चा अगर एक बुक एक वीक में या एक दिन में ख़त्म कर रहा है तो पेरेंट्स हैज़ टू गेट एवरी बुक. सो लाइब्रेरी वॉज अ वेरी गुड आइडिया इन दैट सेंस.
And I think it became a hit also. We got so
Yes,
many
yes,
members, and
yes.
children would just throng and they would just want to exchange books all the time. I think at some point it became a headache also for your staff. Although it was cute, but yeah.
Yes, because क्या बोलते हैं, we have to arrange the books, we have to take care
Yes.
कि books कहीं
I know.
misplace नहीं हो
I
रही
know, I
है.
know.
So we cannot do it that one
I
thing
know.
like 5 times a day. कई बार लोग बुक्स पढ़ने के बाद वहीं पर टेबल्स पे छोड़ के चले जाते थे.
Yeah.
Which were a thing, but like it was great कि लोग एक्सप्लोर कर रहे थे. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कुछ कस्टमर्स अभी भी हैं, दे रिमेंबर कि हमने आपकी वो बुक यहाँ पढ़ी थी. या जनरली कस्टमर्स हमसे डिस्कस करते हैं कि आप बुक्स रखते थे. वी स्टिल हैव सम बुक्स हियर.
Yeah, I
ओके,
saw.
स्टिल सम
Yes.
बुक्स हियर.
Yeah.
बट स्टिल कि लाइक लोग आपस में डिस्कस करते हैं, अरे वो XYZ बुक्स मैंने यहाँ पर पढ़ी थी.
हाँ.
एंड उसका लाइक कंक्लूजन ये था. एंड लाइक दे कीप बुक्स.
Such beautiful conversations
Yes,
these
yes,
are.
yes.
And being a woman was another aspect. Be it anywhere, you go to the biggest corporate place and you go to the biggest metro in the world, we are still talking about equality. We are
Women
talking
equality,
about
gender roles.
Yeah, we are talking about pay parity. We are talking
Yes.
about etc. So being a woman in a small town like this, like Jabalpur, to come up with a cafe, the idea of a cafe with a menu which is so
Which is
different.
different.
Yes,
Yes.
it's not tea coffee.
Yeah.
It's very different.
It's like we have heard about coffee thing.
Yeah.
But in Jabalpur we never about a juice place or juice cafe.
Yes.
We never have heard about. If I have to go out with my family or even I am dropping them to school or tuitions and I just don't want to give them junk. Okay. So I don't have any corner in Jabalpur जहाँ पर मैं उनको अंदर लेकर उनके साथ कंफर्टेबली बैठ सकती हूँ. इवन आई एम गोइंग सोलो एंड आई वर्क टू आई लाइक टू वर्क ऑन माई लैपटॉप. तो मुझे कोई जगह नहीं है यहाँ पर जहाँ मैं एक अपना रूम लेकर के हम आराम से बैठ सकते हैं. एंड लाइक इफ़ पीपल आर वर्किंग, जेंडर को भी अगर छोड़ भी दे तो मेन और वुमेन कोई भी अगर ऑफिस में काम कर रहा है और अगर उसको अनहेल्दी नहीं खाना है तो वी डोंट हैव दैट मच ऑप्शन अवेलेबल कि हम ऑर्डर कर सकें या मंगा सकें.
Which is the reality everywhere, you know. Just
Yes.
recently, you know,
Yes,
last week I
yes.
was trying to order a healthy cake, and I couldn't find a single place. And although I wrote about it and I made a thing about it, but then how far can you go? You know, there has to be somebody like you who has to come up with an idea and say that, okay, you know, if somebody is looking for a healthy XYZ, I am going to provide it.
You see,
So
we
you
serve-
brought about a revolution.
We serve jaw salad, mini salad, quinoa salad. They are weekend special, weekdays available, and like we serve subscription based salad and juices too, and smoothies too.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
So you
What
can
is
order
the subscription thing?
like you can order it for 800 rupees for 6 days juices. Okay. You do. It's
Like you order in bulk and you keep getting it.
yes, yes. It's
Okay.
just like gym subscription ना. आप रोज जा रहे हो, आप रोज कर रहे हो. बट इस सर्विस में आपको आपके डोर स्टेप पे जूस या सैलेड जो भी आप चूज
Wow,
करते हो
this is so
वो
good.
आपको मिल रहा है विदाउट एनी एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस. सम पीपल वांट इट आफ्टर जिम, सम की लाइक कि मैं ऑफिस में वर्क कर रही हूँ, मुझे मेरे लंच ब्रेक में मिल जाए.
Wow, this is so innovative. Again, you know, you have created another disruption.
यस.
Yeah.
तो ये हमने कभी नहीं सुना कि जूस डिलीवरी सब्सक्रिप्शन भी कुछ होता है. ठीक है. तो वी ट्राई टू प्रोवाइड अलग अलग है. इफ़ पीपल आर लाइक सफरिंग फ्रॉम डायबिटिक, इवन लाइक अगर कोई बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं एंड दे वांट अ ब्रेक एंड दे डोंट, तो कोई ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं है.
Yeah.
दे हैव टू टेक टी, कॉफ़ी, मिल्क घर पे. जूसेस भी होते हैं. तो वी सर्व यू जब आपके ब्रेक्स पे होते हैं, वी कैन सर्व यू एट योर होम. तो होम ऑफिस जहाँ भी आप बोलें.
Absolutely. Shweta, you've often talked about, we're talking about women empowerment, we're talking about women in business. You've often talked about how your personal experiences and, you know, led to, they played a big part in you know, this cafe coming up. So you've often talked about it and how cutting, chopping, slicing.
I hated it.
was-
I hated it.
Yeah. Gender burden.
Yes,
Yeah,
it was
rather
like. But when you start working, I started working after marriage, so we divided the room, okay? And when we are coming home, एक साथ आप जब घर enter हो रहे हो, तो like you have to divide your room,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
And like being a mother or being a lady, आप overburden अपने आप को कर लेते हो इस guilt में कि मैं enough time या enough चीज़ें अपनी family के लिए नहीं कर रही हूँ. Even though sisters हो, mothers हो, और like मैं अपने बच्चे को enough nutrition या enough चीज़ें नहीं provide कर रही हूँ, time enough नहीं दे रही हूँ, जो कि आई थिंक गलत है. तो अपने आप में गलत है. मतलब लाइक इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग टुगेदर, यू शुड नॉट ओवरबर्डन, यू शुड डिवाइड द रोल्स. अभी काफ़ी चीज़ें चेंज हो रही है, बट स्टिल आई थिंक देयर इज़ लॉट मोर नीडेड टू बी डन. बहुत कुछ अभी बदलने की ज़रूरत है. एंड सबसे पहले हमें लाइक लेडीज़ को इस गिल्ट से बाहर आने की ज़रूरत है कि लाइक हम अगर बाहर जाके वर्क कर रहे हैं और हमारा बच्चा अगर 1 घंटे पहले अगर ऑफिस से आ गया है या स्कूल से आ गया है, तो इट्स ओके.
Okay.
इट्स ओके.
Yeah.
इट इज़ ओके.
So that space, that me space.
अगर मैं
Yeah.
पार्ट टाइम वर्क कर रही हूँ, ओवर टाइम वर्क कर रही हूँ, तो अगर हम फाइनेंशियली रोल्स, जब हम बीइंग अ लेडी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पे रोल्स, ओके, जब हम बात कर रहे हैं वुमेन इक्वालिटी की, पे पैकेजेस की, व्हाई आर वी नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट किचन रोल्स?
Kitchen rolls and me space.
Yes,
and,
me space. Like हमें चाहिए अपनी थोड़ा सा स्पेस कि हम टाइम स्पेंड कर सकें.
Yes, yes.
सो इट इज़ वेरी मच नीडेड. एंड लाइक फैमिली का सपोर्ट के बिना ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है.
I'm sure. How about you know, you've also worked for so long in a small town. It's not. See, there is a difference. I mean, yes, every place has its own challenges. But when you are in a metro, of course, you know, there's more scope. There are more opportunities, if you put it like that. But when you're in a small town, it has its own rhythm. It has its own ways of, you know, showing you your way.
So most of our menu were around fruits, okay, like fruit
Yeah.
salad, fruit juices. So the shelf life of fruits is really smaller as compared to any other products like bread or any other thing. Second thing, storage की प्रॉब्लम होती है. They need cold storage basically, cold
Yeah.
tray होता है. सेकेंड, जब यहाँ से डिलीवर होता है तो शेल्फ लाइफ ऑफ जूस प्रिपेयर्ड बिकॉज वी आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी प्रिजर्वेटिव, एनी शुगर. So it's much smaller. Okay, you have to consume only within 30 minutes.
You know, this is what has made me a big fan. To begin with, on the very first day, I
Yes.
think I ordered this juice.
Yes.
This is one of yours, this
Yeah.
bread, one of yours.
Yes.
And I wouldn't even know what goes into it. But when I tasted it, I knew that, oh my god, this is what I was
Yeah.
looking for all the
Yeah,
time.
that's so. It's like
And I
it's a mix
finished
of
it.
fruits and juice. Yeah,
While
fruits
we
and
were
vegetables.
talking.
Yeah, it's a mix of fruits and vegetables. Beetroot, carrot, आंवला, तुलसी. जो हम डे टू डे लाइफ में आंवला तुलसी वी आर नॉट, लेकिन हम डेली नहीं कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं. हमें बोला जाता है कि आंवला तुलसी रोज खाओ, पर हम नहीं खा पाते हैं. So we come in and we are not using any plastic thing. Okay, we are
Yeah.
using glass bottle, no plastic straw, nothing. So breakage ka and all that, they have different challenges. Getting items in Jabalpur is a different set of problems. It comes with a different set of problems. When we were deciding how to stand out, of course menu was a one thing, but we make sure decors में एक part हो,
Yeah, yeah.
and the cutlery, the things जो हम provide कर रहे हैं customers को, उसकी cutlery इतनी हो कि people will tag us on Insta, on Facebook.
It had to be very
and
different,
get
you mean?
different, yes. And like menu will to stand out होगा, but like decor and food items
Yeah.
speak for own self.
Oh, of course they do. Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. So you got a, I'm really, you know, those little baltis that you
Yeah,
have.
baltis and that
Yeah.
short glasses. That
Short glasses. Yeah, short glasses. I think we have one here. So
Yes.
why not? Okay. So this is a short glass, right?
Yes.
So you use it to
It's
taste.
just like if someone like coming along with you and he's not very confident if he'll like the juice, like the drinks, so we can just as a tester. Okay.
But these are so cute, you know.
Yes.
I could have
for
my
parties like we
Yeah.
do it.
Whole, yeah. I could have my whole juice in this. Pour it from here. I'm just having to say. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, of course, you know, and I've always liked your cutlery also.
Yes.
And I would be fascinated, and those the baltis.
Parties for billing and all that.
Baltis.
Yes, for
Yeah,
billing. For billing, the parties were served for billing.
Yeah,
actually.
they were so cute and they were so. I'm sure that, you know, many people would have taken photographs with it,
Yes,
and like you wanted them
definitely,
to
yes,
like post
definitely.
them on their Instagram, and
Definitely.
of course, you know, all this grammable stuff. If it's there in you know, in spaces, then those things really work.
It really
in marketing.
work like in marketing, and like you don't have to put like you don't have to ask for reviews and all
Yes,
that.
it just happens on its
It's on
own.
its own. Okay.
as if you know,
Yes.
we are giving you this.
If
and
people
you
are
have to just
posting
put it
that
out.
photograph, tagging us, we know they were really happy about this baltis, this shot glasses,
yeah.
saying cheers for juices also.
Yeah, wow.
People here were very cooperative. But
Sure.
I like for the feedbacks, for the things, they were very, very cooperative. So getting the correct vendors, things, we go through channels, and like I think it was sorted out after a while. But people were really give a positive feedback regarding that you are not using plastic, you are not even using plastic straws, and many other salads that are like not in the menu, but we serve them on the day-to-day basis and we deliver them. So I think it was like जो जबलपुर में बहुत मिसिंग था
Yeah.
हेल्थ कॉन्सेप्ट से, और आई थिंक सबको ज़रूरत भी है.
You filled that gap.
Yes,
which is
like we
amazing.
are trying to fill that gap.
Yeah,
I think we will do much better.
To some
in
extent, I
upcoming
think
days.
you have already filled that gap, and I'm sure that, you know, in the coming days, of course,
Yeah, we will
this get better.
try that. We come up with a thing of a seasonal thing and seasonal cake, seasonal baked
Wow,
items.
so beautiful.
Yeah. So they are not in our menu for sure, but we provide them on weekdays, on demand. That
Yeah, like the specials.
yeah, that's
Yeah, that, you know, menu of the day or
Yeah, menu of
dish
the
of the
day.
day or something
Yes,
like that.
yes.
Oh, great. Okay.
That remind me, we have when we started, we have two salads. One was like zero size salad,
Yeah.
and one was diet salad.
Yeah.
And like it was off the shelf most of the time because of the name.
Wow.
People were so obsessed with the name.
This is so good.
Diet salad,
Yeah.
zero size salad.
Yeah, and about talking about town, I think from where I see it, people are quite aspirational and they really want to experiment new things. They want to
Yes.
explore new things.
Yes.
So whenever they see something new coming in,
Yeah.
they just want to be a part of it.
Yes, people are so simple.
Yeah.
People are so helpful here actually.
Yeah, they are.
Okay,
Yeah, and-
they
yeah.
don't criticize. If something goes wrong, na, they don't criticize. Okay, like students who come to study, तो उनके पेरेंट्स से फीडबैक मिला कि आप फ्रूट सैलड्स दो. ओके, व्हेन वी पुट दैट थिंग इन अवर मेन्यू, सो पीपल वर सजेस्टिंग कि सिंगल फ्रूट्स भी दीजिए ना मैम, कि वी नीड लाइक माई फादर इज डायबिटिक, सो पीपल कीप सजेस्टिंग एंड पीपल आर एंड माउथ पब्लिसिटी इज समथिंग जो हमें मिली, वी नेवर थॉट कि हमें मिलेगी. एंड वी कम हियर फॉर अ यूथ थिंग, बट जो टीचर्स का सपोर्ट, जो बैंक्स का सपोर्ट जो हमको मिला, एंड जब उनकी जब लाइक गैदरिंग्स होती है, फेयरवेल्स होता है, वी people are not into like cold drinks and all that. Okay,
They want healthy.
yeah, they want healthy. So it was a great idea and like कि people are suggesting कि आप हमें इस event पे भी आप क्या ये दे सकते हो.
Right.
Even a doctor like right now हमको contact किया, उनके clinic का opening थी, तो like कि आप हमें छाछ, buttermilk या ये सब दे सकते हैं, and we don't want to use plastic. Okay, so we provided them 100 bottles of this.
Wow.
Okay, it was very good. और जो उनके थ्रू हमें जो कनेक्शंस बने और जो कस्टमर्स भी ले, वी आर रियली थैंकफुल फॉर दैट.
So the one more thing, when you talk about women entering entrepreneurship, they starting their ventures, it's more like women reclaiming that time and creativity.
Yes.
Even when you started, I would see you often behind the counter, and you would be taking orders, and you would be handing out bills to people, checks to
Yes,
people.
yes.
So you were so involved, you were so here.
Yes. Because the way we see our venture, our baby, nobody see it the same way. Okay, if I want to suggest some dishes, okay, that I think I'm pretty sure the person will like.
Yeah.
Nobody will do the stuff and everything, will maybe not understand the thing like I understand the customer. I personally feel that मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जितना अच्छे से मैं कस्टमर का परसेप्शन अगर वो कह रहे हैं उसे क्या चाहिए, एंड आई कैन कस्टमाइज दैट वे, तो आई थिंक आई कैन डू इट लाइक बेटर in that way.
That's what so it was the passion, it was
Yes.
the passion that I really was always admiring in you.
Yes, and after even trying the things and like people reading the book enjoy the edition, I used to wait कि वो अपना ख़त्म करेंगे and they will give me the feedback.
You want to be there to
Yes.
hear good
Yes.
things, or even if they were bad at times.
I
about
still
the
remember some of the really good feedbacks.
Yeah, sure,
Get it?
sure.
Like one of person living just nearby said कि बहुत अच्छा सब कुछ है, I like the dishes, I like the concept, बस मेरे घर के एक ड्रॉबैक है कि मेरे घर के बहुत पास है, so I don't need to drive or anything.
Oh.
It's like walking ना, कभी कभी होता है भी आपको ड्रेस अप कहीं दूर तक जाना है. So कुछ चीज़ें अच्छी होती है which is very positive thing to hear. And बहुत सारे ऐसे feedbacks थे, I still remember till date.
I'm sure.
So-
and there was certain. I mean, at that time it wasn't funny, but yes, there was this incident, and it happened. I think.
It happened on 31st December 2019, a day before New Year. Okay, so
What a day to choose!
we have a party, we have lots of bookings on table, we have to cancel that. The reason was that a girl came for like dining with group of girls. Okay, और उन्होंने गाड़ी चालू करी, बहुत प्रो नहीं थी, एंड उन्होंने एक्सीलेटर दिया, और जो हम टिकटॉक वीडियोस में देखते हैं, इट वाज एग्जैक्टली द सेम ग्लास फ्रंट डोर वाज लाइक क्रश्ड.
Oh shit!
Or
She
this-
drove. I think she rode right into
Yes,
your
yes.
glass.
Yes, and her Activa was like just bang to my counter. Okay,
Oh my
I was
God.
so scared.
I
कि
know,
मतलब
it
like
was scary then.
it was
Yeah.
scary,
Yeah.
but people around there were very helpful. उन्होंने स्कूटी उठाई, उस लड़की को बिठाया, calm down किए,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
like we called their parents. आज हम सोचते तो बहुत फनी था, बट व्हेन आई हैव टू कैंसिल दैट बुकिंग्स एंड ऑल दैट, आई मिस दैट फाइनेंस पार्ट और वो बिल पेमेंट्स वापस करनी पड़ी. It was not that funny.
Yeah, it wasn't. I remember that, and I think the next day itself, I had come here.
Yes.
And I saw that the front
Sunday
was
morning
missing.
missing.
Yeah, the front was missing. Sunday. I said, what
Yeah.
happened here?
Or I think it was winter, 1st January.
Yeah.
Okay. And like it was so cold.
Cold also.
It was so cold and glass nahi the. So what to do? But people were really helpful by the time.
And also, then even in that, now I need to mention this also. Even in that, the kind of wall or
Yes.
makeshift wall that you had put up, it was beautiful. It was so attractive. It
Because
was
it was
not.
so-
It was not something that we just have to put it temporarily. So कुछ भी लगा दो. It was not that.
जब आप अपनी
yeah,
जगह पे
nice.
प्रेजेंट रहते हो,
Yeah,
ओके,
so
एंड लाइक तो ये लोग कि आपकी आईज को भी सूदिंग लगे,
Yeah.
एंड लाइक द पीपल हु आर स्पेंडिंग मनी फॉर द पर्टिकुलर थिंग, जो लोग आज आ रहे हैं 1st जनवरी 2020 में, दे आर थिंकिंग हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ बहुत अच्छा डाइनिंग एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे. You don't want them to disappoint.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't want to disappoint.
This is
So
the
you just want to-
involvement that
Yes.
I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you want to give your best. Okay. By mistakes, हम सबसे गलतियाँ होती हैं. We did some of the mistakes, but like I think with the people's support, staff support, we have come.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Shweta, so much for your time, and this was so beautiful. And I'm sure that after a few years, we are going to again sit like this, and we are going to have another conversation where you're going to tell me that your baby has grown still bigger.
Thanks.
I wish you all
Thank
the
you,
luck,
Vishu. Thank
and
you
I'm
so
looking
much.
forward to many more conversations like
Thank
this.
you. Thank you.